You can find this printable sewing pattern in the description. Cut and glue the pattern with a sticky tape. Choose light fabric like cotton, rayon, or satin. Add seam allowance. I suggest 1 centimeter. Overlock and fold the edges of the pockets. Sew side seams and shoulders. Sew 6 strings for front clasp. Iron the pockets. Iron and fold the bottom of the sleeves. Iron the center fold and seam allowance on this long neckline part. Sew and flip out these long strings. Pin and glue the pockets. Sew the pockets. Sew the sleeves. Sew the bottom edge. Pin and sew the neckline. Good luck!